Hi, I'm Aaron Hoover, real estate broker with Keller Williams and the Signature Home Group, and you're at 15715 Vibrant Road. We're just outside Leo, Indiana. Why don't you guys come join me in this estate-style home that surely isn't going to disappoint. You guys have to check out this home. There's 3 levels of living, including a full walkout basement, 3 bedrooms upstairs, 1 bedroom on the main, and wait till you guys see this gourmet chef's dream kitchen with a full complement of professional grade appliances. And who needs a dining room when you have an amazing billiards table just like this one? And one of my favorite features of this property is this 40 by 50 outbuilding beside me that's fully insulated, heated, with LED lighting, and has RV hookups as well. If you'd like more information or to schedule your private showing, please reach out to me or one of my amazing teammates.